What's going on, guys? Welcome to the Poké Shed. If you're new to the channel, thanks for tuning in. Today, we've got a variety of booster packs to open up for you guys. If you've watched my last couple videos, we opened up a few remix booster boxes and had nothing but duplicates. So I thought I would remix it up a little bit today with a couple Chilling Reign, XY Steam Siege, a Rebel Clash, a Crimson Invasion, Battle Styles, 2 Sun and Moon Base, and some Vivid Voltage. But before we get into these today, we're going to start a new segment here on the channel called Random Location Pulls. So let's head out and check that out. What's going on, guys? Poké Shed here, out in the world for our first ever random location pack pull. Today, we're gonna bust open a Ultra Sun Japanese pack, and I also got a Detective Pikachu pack to open up for you guys. Don't mind the background audio. We got a few cars here driving by. Think I'm probably a crazy person out here opening some Pokemon packs. But without further ado, guys, let's crack into these. Oh, guys, we got something here. A Dialga. Look at that. See if I can get that to focus a little nicer. Look at the holographic on that. Let's go, guys. You can see the sun coming up just behind me. We're out here at sunrise. It's a little fitting. We got that Ultra Sun hauling those ultra rares. Okay, guys, let's get into this Detective Pikachu pack. This one's just a little bonus. Not even gonna do a card trick for this one. Just gonna open it up as is and see what we got inside. All right, we got our Bulbasaur. Nice card. What else do we got in here? A Psyduck. Oh, come on, let's go, guys. We got the Charizard. Very nice. Okay, guys, that's gonna do it all for our random location pull. Back to the studio. Okay, we're back, guys. If you want to check out those cards a little more closely, head over to my Instagram. I'll put a link down below in the description. Head over there, check them out. There are some beautiful pulls out on a beautiful morning. So, I guess there's only one thing left to do, guys. Let's crack these packs. Okay, guys, coming up on a reverse holo for our Sun and Moon pack. And the last card, oh, I see something spicy here, guys. What do we got? Lapras GX, come on, let's go, guys. That's a beautiful card. Got that cracked ice background. Got a beautiful shimmer to it. I'll take that all day long, guys. We'll get that in the sleeve real quick. Already, we're off to a good start with these packs today. Let's crack into these Battle Styles packs. Hopefully the luck continues. Okay, we got a reverse holo Phoebe, and the last card, absolutely nothing. All right, let's get into this second Battle Styles pack. I think from now on in our videos, we're going to be doing our random location pull. If you want to go down below, drop a comment, request some random locations to pull some Pokemon cards. We'll try to do that for you guys. We're going to try to mix it up and get into some weird places and open up some packs. Hopefully we can pull some sick ass cards in some sick ass places. Okay, we're coming up on our reverse holo of this pack. We got our energy recycler. Oh, I see something back here, guys. What do we got? We got a Stoutland V. I'll take that. Not even a normal holographic. Got a nice V card. So far we're doing pretty good. We've got 2 nice cards already. Still like that Lapras GX card. So far that's the winner of the opening. Let's take a look at this Crimson Invasion pack. Swing and a miss, guys. Okay, moving on to Rebel Clash. We got our reverse holo, Zazmazenta. And the last card, striking out again, guys. Let's get into this Steam Siege, and hopefully we can get some better cards. Ooh, I think I did the card trick wrong there, guys. Well, we didn't get a holographic anyways, so it really doesn't matter. Next up, we got our 2 Chilling Rain packs. Let's pull some icy cards. Got our reverse holo Banette. It's a nice card there, guys. And the last card, absolutely nothing. It's always the risk when you're just opening random booster packs. You're not guaranteed to get anything. Let's get into the next pack, find something sick. Okay, our reverse holo. Oh, we got something hiding here. What do we got? A Celebi V. Let's go, guys. That's beautiful. For a regular V card, that's some really nice artwork. It's got a very nice holographic background on there. Tuck that one in a sleeve for sure. Just for some random booster packs, this is a not bad pull rate. It'd be nice to find a secret rare or a rainbow rare or an ultra rare. We got 2 packs left. Let's crack in. Okay, reverse holo and non-holographic. Alright guys, we're getting into our last pack here. Hopefully we got a little bit of that last pack magic. Alright, we got our last reverse holo. And last card, a non-holographic. Well guys, looks like we're all the cards we're gonna pull for today. We got a couple nice bangers out of there. Not bad for some random booster packs. So as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to go down and smash that like and subscribe button for more videos to come.